Hola gamers, I am City Redtail Zork and welcome back to another Let's Play of Rayman Origins. We're gonna continue on where we left off in the gameplay, so... Oh, and you see the background I did! The game updated, right? No, I'm kidding. I added a mod to this where it added the color. Pretty neat, right? Well, let's get back into the gameplay, why not? It's just being too funny. Alright, let's get back to the game. This seems familiar. I feel like Right, because if I remember, I played a demo version of this game. Oh, money. You're telling me these things popped up. No, come back. The music sounds nice. Oh, another coin. Cool. Surprisingly enough, I didn't even die in the gameplay yet, surprisingly. I hear you, kids. The children need to be saved. We're playing Angry Birds. Mickey! Bruh. Perfect. Mickey! Let's play some Angry Birds. Check out my dance moves. Ooh. That would have ended horrible for me. What the? Smack. Whoa. Dodge. Yeah. Did you guys hear that? I can't barely hear the game well because I will be playing this on my headphones as well, so... Yikes. I was not thinking I was gonna cause myself to die. Get the lums. I just punched him. Man. Can't take a hit, huh? Hit Kobe. I don't know if he can jump on that missile, but I don't really want to trust it. Poor door. Sorry. I should make sure the secrets, actually. I should probably keep my eyes peeled for secrets. Hey, drop the... My butt. Wrong button. Hey, yo, drop the money. Hey, yo, put the money down. I'm crazy, dude. Here's your lums, guy. I have some money. I want to free the children. Yippee! Okay, over the rainbow, huh? Okay, Murphy. Oh, wait, I didn't grab that. That's stupid. It's a sing-along, guys. Bear. It's a sing-along, guys. Let's play a sing-along. Hey, yo, sir, stop! Oh, you're trying to be slick? I'll show you slick. Boom! Nice. It became a sing-along, and then you beat the shit out of somebody. Oh wait, I just realized I didn't even have enough for it to get. Ew. Do I still have enough to? Yeah, I still. Okay. Gain all the childs. That's gain saving the childs. That's much better. Damn. I'll do that after. Another new character. Alright. Hi-ho, mosquitoes. Ugh, I hate mosquitoes. Yes, sir. Ew, mosquitoes. I think I recognize this from the playing one of the Rayman Legends ones. It's been a long time. Good question is, what do you guys think of like what this kind of reminds you of? You can suck the enemies. That's odd. Mosquitoes can suck. They mostly suck some blood. That's all I can say about mosquitoes. If you hear my controller, my headphones is not really great with sound effects. At least it's not that terrible, at least. Got it. pew. Pew, 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 pew. I shot him before he died. Made the pain worse. Oh. I could have murdered him. Missiles. God damn, we're playing a lot of war games. Pew 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 pew. Murder. Oh damn. Some enemies are slick this time, huh? Oh, I saw that. Bro, this is... You're not... You have a gun that can lock on targets? Damn. Super Mario, huh? Can I suck these things? No. That sounds weird how I said that, sorry. Or can you suck the bombs? Oh my god, you can.
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
Oh shit, bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest. Ah! He ate me! Shit. I guess he is the biggest bird, huh? Well, I died. Congratulations, guys. I died. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Uh-oh. Oh, God. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Alright, he's gonna shoot. Pew. He's in the way. I can't hit him. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Bird. And I died to that little bird? That's cringe of me. God damn. That's so cringe. I died to a bird. Well, at least I 100% the level. Stupid. Well, that's pretty stupid. I died to the biggest bird ever. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. A new world's unlocked. But maybe I'll save that for the next episode. But first I'm gonna finish. I wanna go do this and then maybe I'll... Actually, before we do this level, I kinda wanna... Maybe we'll go to this and see what the new characters they unlocked. Let's see, has there been any new characters? I also installed a mod where there's more characters.
Can you charge us for a bit?
Yeah, sure. There we go. Alright, yeah, there's a new mod up here. I added a mod where new characters are unlocked. Alright. Who the hell is this person? I feel like there's gonna be more to this soon because I didn't look at the mod description, so there's only up to it's only this side you can have more characters. So yeah. Whoosh. I'll be this one. I like the details in this one. Alright, let's go do this level and then maybe I'll end the episode there. You can't catch me. Curious. To sprint. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Bruh. Well, that was just a good start. Freaking die at the beginning. Okay, for sure that's not gonna happen again. Bruh! Bruh! I got hit! That's not fair! What the hell? Plus, it's more harder to without the controls. Alright, I gotta lock in now, huh? Alright, lock in. I died twice on this. Stupid. How freaking stupid that is. How stupid that is. I only died twice on this. I died 3 times in this episode. How stupid. You know what? I got more time. You know what? Let's do these time things. Yeah, let's do that. Alright, let's do this. Speed running time. Let's do this. Speed run. Nice. Nailed it. Speed run. Ow. Oh, just in perfect timing. Holy shit. Oh boy. Yay! I am so locked in. Perfect. Nice. And the last level for the video for this episode. Ow. Oh boy. Oh, did I make it? Oh no, I probably did not make it. Oh yes, I still got it. Oh, just like a minute. Oh boy. Well, they don't call me Speedy for nothing. Alright, yeah, I guess that will do for this episode. Whew. My gosh. Yeah, I guess that's it. So the next episode, it will be Desert and... That's a weird word. But yeah, I'll probably continue this, maybe this world with my friends, maybe? Maybe I'll do it with my friends. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this episode here. If you want to go see more of this gameplay, go subscribe to me, SpeedyRedTailsOrg. And also, leave a comment down below at what you think about this gameplay. And give me a thumbs up if you liked the video or not. And also, slash the notification bar and you won't miss a single video I'll be uploading in the later futures. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next episode. SpeedyRedTailsOrg speeding out.